Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to paint this baseboard right here, and I'm going to show you how to initiate that. So I normally start in the middle like this to get the inner piece, okay? Very simple. And then I'll do the upper piece because there's less paint on the brush to get all over the wall. We don't want to do that. Dunk your brush, push some paint in there. There you go. Now I'm going to turn my brush sideways, and I'm going to go along the other piece of trim. I'm going to push it down into the 45 here with the bristles. See the bristles going into there? And I'm going to draw a straight line down. I'm not touching the floor in any way, shape, or form, just the baseboard. Now I'm going to go over my work and I'm going to feather it all in. That's how you initiate doing the baseboard. Okay, let's continue down the baseboard. I'm going to put it up top. I'm going to get rid of some of the paint on the brush, and then I'm going to draw a straight line down at the bottom of the baseboard where it meets the flooring, but I'm not touching the flooring, just the wood baseboard. I'm going to go back over my work. I'm going to get some paint on my brush, and I'm going to do the middle piece, simple, and then I'm going to do the top piece. All I'm doing is taking a couple of tips of the bristles and going straight down the top of the baseboard. See that? That fine tuning on the top of the baseboard where it meets the wall. I'm just getting a fraction of an inch on there. See it? Okay, so we're going to continue down. Okay, very good. Continue down the baseboard. So I'm going to put it higher, and then I'm going to draw a straight line. And then I'm going to feather over my work to blend it all in. I'm going to do the top of the base, the middle piece first, and then I'm going to do the top piece. I'm going to start high, and then I'm going to work my way down to the flooring in the base. Now I'm going to go this way, put it in here a little, this, and finish the top of this little lip off. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. That's your first piece of base. You did really good with that, guys and girls. You should be proud of your work.